In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best digital torque wrenches available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the digital torque wrenches mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Shahe Mini Digital Torque Wrench. The Shahe Mini Digital Torque Wrench ensures precise torque control with plus or minus 2% accuracy. It operates both clockwise and counterclockwise, providing versatility for automotive and machinery applications. A built-in buzzer and LED alert notify users when the preset torque is reached. With 4 engineering units, this tool offers adaptability for various measurements. Compact yet powerful, it's an essential tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 4, ALLSOME Digital Torque Wrench. The ALLSOME Digital Torque Wrench is a must-have for DIY and professional mechanics. With an adjustable torque range of 2 to 200 Nm, it's versatile for various tasks. The 1/2 drive ensures compatibility with multiple applications, while its chromium vanadium steel construction enhances durability. Its mini design makes it easy to handle, and the digital display provides accurate readings for reliable performance. Perfect for tightening bolts with confidence. Number 3, Digital Adjustable Torque Wrench, 5 to 25 Nm. Designed for auto and bicycle maintenance, this digital adjustable torque wrench features a 30 mm open-end design for precision. With plus or minus 4% accuracy, it ensures reliable results. The audible click feedback confirms the correct torque application. A locking ring and direction switch make adjustments effortless. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this tool enhances efficiency and accuracy in every torque-related task. Number 2, ARITER Digital Torque Wrench. The ARITER Digital Torque Wrench offers high accuracy and versatility for bike and car repairs. It allows users to preset 6 target values and features a lock button for secure settings. With 4 selectable torque units, it adapts to various needs. Operating on 2 AA batteries, it's convenient and portable. Its ratchet head supports both clockwise and counterclockwise tightening, making it a reliable tool for precision work. Number 1, VPOER Digital Torque Wrench. The VPOER Digital Torque Wrench is designed for precise tightening and loosening of screws. Featuring a 72-tooth bidirectional ratchet head, it allows smooth operation in tight spaces. Its large LCD display with backlight ensures visibility in dark environments. The wrench offers real-time and peak measurement modes, ensuring accurate torque application for professionals and DIYers. Compact and efficient, it's a must-have tool for mechanical work.